In this video, we will show you how to change background color on Google Docs or Google Documents. First, creating a blank page like this. To change your color on Google Docs, please click File menu. Then you can select Page Setup here. In the Page Setup, you can select the background color you want. Okay, please click File menu and choose Page Setup. You can select the color and click OK. Even you can also just apply in the selected content in here if you want. Of course, if you already have a content, you can also select the paper size and the margin. And that's tutorial how to change background color on Google Docs or Google Documents. Hope this video helpful for you.